What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I got the Nokia 9 Pureview right here with its 5 cameras. And one of the things that I want to find out is if the Nokia 9 can replace my LG phones or phones of choice when it comes down to a video and a photography. Well, I got Filmic Pro running on the Nokia 9 Pureview, and I'm running full resolution here. I'm gonna do this at 30 frames per second. And I'm going to do this when it comes down to the resolution. I am going to go all the way up to 4K and extreme right here. And look at that, 402 megs. That's what I'm talking about. So let's see if the Nokia 9 Pureview is up for the challenge. And let's see if it's good enough to replace my LG phones. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready. Woo! And let's have some fun. And let me show you guys some video footage of the Nokia 9 Pureview right now. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the Nokia 9 and Filmic Pro. I'm shooting this here at 4K, 30 frames per second, and I want y'all guys to see this. Let me see if I can turn this around so y'all guys can see me. All right, so I don't know if y'all guys can see me or not, but this is what I'm shooting here. And I just want to give you guys a representation on how good or how bad the cameras are using Filmic Pro. Now, I'm going to go back to the studio and I'm going to give you guys my conclusion on the Nokia 9 and Filmic Pro. Right now I've been all day filming little snippets here and there, different parts of the city, in the parks and stuff like that. So I just want to kind of give you guys a clear representation on can I use the Nokia 9 with Filmic Pro. It is some good and some bad stuff here using a different app versus the native app, but we gonna go back to the studio and let y'all guys, I'm gonna give y'all guys my conclusion on Filmic Pro. All right, guys, so I'm back at the studio and I got the Nokia 9 Pureview and I've been using Filmic Pro to film this video. Can it replace my LG devices when it comes down to filming and Filmic Pro? I don't know. Right now, it's some problems. I believe that the Nokia 9 Pureview is made for the stock camera app that's on this device. It works together with all 5 of the cameras, and for some strange reason, Filmic Pro, it works okay, but I had some crashes along the way. Also, when it comes down to some of the features, stabilization does not work in Filmic Pro. When you get into the frame rates, It does work. I mean, you can go up to 30, but you cannot go up to 60 frames per second. If you want to do slow-mo, you can only go up to 120 frames per second. When you go to the resolution, when you're going up to 1080p, and we go up to 4K with filmic quality, you go to filmic extreme, you do run into some problems if you want to shoot in log. So you cannot shoot in log in 4K. So you have to drop the resolutions down to either 720p or 1080p. So you can shoot in 1080p and you can get log support. So that's one of the things that kind of hinders this device if you want to use it for primary shooting in Filmic Pro. All right. Also, let me bring another device in. This is my LG V40. And I want to show you guys that on the LG V40, you can go to higher frame rates, right? I can go up to 30 and I can go resolution 4K, right? Extreme, and I can use log support. So that's one of the reasons why I like my LG phones, is because yes, I can shoot in 4K, I can shoot high frame rates, and I can shoot in log support at 4K. Also, the optical image stabilization works in 4K at high frame rates, extreme quality. So that's one of the huge reasons why I use my LG phones that is just not possible on the Nokia 9. So at the end of the day, I hope you enjoyed this video. But I shot this in 4K, and I used my gimbal. And the gimbal I used was this gimbal here, the Smooth 4. And the reason why I use the Smooth 4 is because since this device doesn't have cannot use the optical image stabilization, I use the gimbal in this video so I can get some smooth effects. But overall, it's okay. I'm gonna use it from time to time to film, but my LG phones are still boss when it comes down to Filmic Pro. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Nokia 9, Pureview, and Filmic Pro. See you guys on the next video. Peace.